friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review the Coolberg Non-Alcoholic Beer. So guys, this is a non-alcoholic beer which contains 0.0% of alcohol in it. So it is completely non-alcoholic, and it's a malt beer here. It's a malt beer flavor that we have from Coolberg here. So it will taste completely like beer, but it is non-alcoholic. So guys, let's start off with the packaging. It comes in a pin bottle. So it is a 1 pint size of bottle, 330 ml bottle that we have here. Right here on top we have the Coolberg branding. We can see right all around it. We can see the Coolberg branding. Here again we have the Coolberg logo and the branding. Coolberg written across the face of the bottle. And here it says it's a malt beer, but it says here non-alcoholic. It's a pure vegetarian product, so there's no non-vegetarian on it. And it says high on malt. It shows you 0.0% of ABV, which is alcohol. And then it gives you the right here are the nutritional information given here. So every 100 ml provides you 21.29 kcal of energy, 4.66 grams of carbohydrates, 4.55 grams of sugar, protein is 0.64 grams. The shelf life of this non-alcoholic beer is 12 months from the date of manufacturing. You should always store it in a cool and dry place and do not expose it to direct sunlight. Now what are the ingredients of this? Let's look at the ingredients of this. The ingredients are carbonated water, sugar, barley malt, acidulant, there are herbs, hops, fermented class 2 preservatives, contains added flavors, natural and nature identical flavoring substances, which is malt. The net quantity of this bottle is 330 ml, like I told you all. And yeah, coming to the price of the product, let's look at the MRP of the Coolberg. So the MRP of the Coolberg malt flavored beer, non-alcoholic beer is rupees 79. So here is given, the MRP is given here. Right here we can see it has a metal cap here, again with the Coolberg logo on that. So guys, let's go ahead and quickly do a taste test of the Coolberg malt beer, non-alcoholic malt beer, and see how does it taste. So here's the opener that I have, and I'm quickly going to open it up. So here we go. I'll open the bottle and let's do a taste test. Completely tastes like beer. You won't be able to tell the difference between a beer and this malt beer here from Coolberg. So definitely somebody who is looking to give up on alcohol, also definitely try the Coolberg non-alcoholic drink, because it will help you get off alcohol. So guys, this was my review about the Coolberg malt beer, non-alcoholic beer here from Coolberg. Guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. And guys, if you all are looking to buy the Coolberg beer online, it's available on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below. You can purchase it from there.